I want to show you a quick feature inside the software Tactical Arbitrage. And what it's called, it's under analysis. And this is going to help you to further analyze a particular product. So let's say we wanted to analyze that cough syrup. We'll take the ASIN, right? We'll come back over. We'll put the ASIN in here, right? Now, it's not going to have much to you know what? Let's pick another one because it's not going to have much because there's no one else on it right now. Let's take this one. And we're going to pay $8.29. This isn't going to be the best example, hustlers, but it's something to show you. $8.29. And then when you go fetch the information, you got to be a little patient. It's going to load. This is not a keeper graph. This is Tactical Arbitrage's history chart, and it works fine. But right away, it starts putting things in front of you. Estimated monthly sales. It's the bottom half that takes longer to load. But right away, you can see the brand, you can see the category, you got all types of stuff in front of you. But you do have to be patient because it takes a bit.
I see merchant fulfilled and Amazon, FBA, sellers.
Okay.
I saw
So this is what we were waiting on. All right. This lists all the people, and right away you can see it's 23 people. It doesn't arrange them. So here you can see that AMZ, that means Amazon is on the listing, and then merchant fulfilled. Then there's an FBA guy. And what you can look at is actually it gives you a breakdown on if you want to compare yourself to a particular seller. Now, remember, we put in a buy price of $8.29, and it's going to reflect we're going to lose money if we try to get in here. You see what I'm saying? Because this guy is only selling it, for Amazon's only selling it for $6.99. So you can start looking. You want your profit to get up. You start coming down to the profit that you would be willing to take. And then you see, okay, I've got to sell it for like 17. This is merchant fulfilled. But you could, that gives you a little bit more information. But here's the treat for you guys. So pay attention. What if, let's see, this is the total ratings. Let's say you looked at this particular guy and you said, why don't we see all of his products? Why don't we reverse search his product?
Oh.
Let's look at all of his stuff. You could click on that, and then it will say search the seller in reverse. And then it sets up a reverse search, and it puts the seller ID in there. See, normally we got other videos on how to do a reverse search, and we're usually looking under bestsellers, most wished, movers and shakers. But this set up a reverse search. So you can set up a reverse search right in the reverse search, but this auto-filled with that seller's ID. And then you could go ahead with all of your other filters. If you want to know how to do that, we've got plenty of videos that'll show you how to do all that. But now you got a reverse search already set up. Hustlers, what is the advantage of a reverse search? Now you're going through someone else's store and basically cherry picking. And a lot of times they have proven products that you never would have found for whatever reason. Now, I'm not saying go through somebody's store and just try and take over. But I will tell you this. You stay on Amazon for any length of time, somebody's going to do it to you.
They will. They will. I mean, over time, you start to see some of the same people on listings with you. And you do begin to wonder, am I chasing them or are they chasing me? What's happening? But
the part I don't mind you jumping on my listings. The part I hate is when you say, I don't want to do the work, so I'm going to watch, let you do the work. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you found a good one. I'm going to get on that. And now after you did all the work and you proved that it's a reprint, I don't want you to get none of the product for all your work. So I'm going to lower the price.
I'm going to tank the price
so that you did all the
your
work
profit.
and I did all the profit. And I'm going to keep going because if I can't make no money after I stole the product, nobody going to make the money. So now I'm just going to tank it for both of us.
Oh, tales of Amazon. Amazon tales.
E pluribus unum said, preach.
Oh, don't encourage him, please. Please, E, don't encourage him.
Because I've been went off up in here. All right, hustlers, we went over a little bit, which is common. We do this because we love it.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
It is. Let's make sure we had no more comments, guys. If there's anybody that had anything, he's laughing. If anybody had any last words, let me know. I don't think so. All right, guys, we're going to call it a night, and we will see you. I don't know, probably next week. We'll have to see. But let me say one more thing before we go. If there's anybody that might be interested in a little bit of coaching, the two of us, myself and the lovely Miss Karen, we coach. So imagine that you want some coaching and you get not one coach, but two, because you would get the both of us. We're not currently available. So that's all the more reason to start your free consultation with us now, and we could get you into the SKU, because when one comes open, it's gone. So if you're thinking about it, it costs you nothing. Give us a call. We'll give you a little bit of our time, listen to your story, and figure out if it would be beneficial. And if we could help you, we would be very excited to do that. And as always, you could always text the words working class hustler to my number just to get connected, so that you can be told things like, we're going live today, or we got a private Zoom that we're going to do, or whatever it may be. Sometimes people just want to ask a quick question. I'm here for that. So other than that, I don't see. Oh, E Pluribus says, have an awesome weekend. I see my producer, Jim. He thanks everybody. Happy 2020 says, thank you for your time. Have a great evening. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys. Well, as always, for the lovely Miss Karen, I am La Machine saying good night. And why? Because we are here to respect your mind, your time, and most definitely your grind. We done showed you how to get this paper. It's time for me to go get mine. Good night. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. Thanks for being here. Take care.